So guys, you can just transform normal wall to a creative with the simple technique of pasting newspaper at your home by yourself. So like this you can capture some cool photos by simply sitting at your home and just turn your Instagram game to the next level of creativity. So this is how your wall will actually look after pasting the newspaper. So guys, this is how I use fairy lights to brighten up the photo and create a very fantasy like fairy tale or fairy lights theme photo for my self portrait. I'm using this kind of tripod which will be perfect for your self portrait, so you don't need anyone to capture your photo. You can just do it by yourself. If you want a unique concept for your Instagram, then you can just use this newspaper theme in your photo editing game and just move to a next level and just make a creative and a unique portfolio for your Instagram. So guys, as you can see, I have clicked many cool photos that also very without anyone's help, self-portraits with the help of this tripod and a wireless connection with my camera and a smartphone. So you can also create such cool photos over here like this by creating a unique and very amazing concept with the help of newspaper at your home. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make cool videos like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also guys, don't forget to visit our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also you're gonna find new premium collection of presets. Also guys, don't forget to visit our first website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. And also you can just check out my personal account, that is ashishchauhan1996. So guys, thank you for watching and be creative and be safe at your home. Bye bye till the next video.